from Lousana, engines humming in the dawn. Journey's calling my song. Sunrise painting gold on fields, the journey's calling us on. Wind in our faces, laughter in the air. Miles of Alberta, freedom everywhere. Cameras rolling, stories to be told. On the bike with Mike, chasing roads of gold. We ride, chasing sunlight on the line. Open skies, open hearts, leaving worries far behind. From Lousana to Sedgewick, every mile a memory. On the bike with Mike, that's where we're meant to